Now, elsewhere on the opening day, Jordan Scott only registered one attempt of 14.73 meters in the triple jump and later disclosed that he had sustained a right hamstring injury during training on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the mixed mile relay will also get going on tomorrow's second day of competition. According to technical leader Donald Quarry, the order for Jamaica will be Nathan Allen, Genevieve Russell, Ronisha McGregor and Javon Francis on anchor. Now, some football in their first match since the ill-fated incident which saw two players being hospitalized after a lightning strike. Wolmers boys and Jamaica College played out a 2-2 draw in their top-of-the-table Group E clash today. Rivaldo Mitchell opened the scoring for Wolmers when he held off a couple JC defenders to slot home and make it 1-0. That was in the 8th minute. That silenced the fans at the Ashenheim Sports Complex. But JC, they'd hit back through Philon Lawrence in the 11th minute after some good build-up play from Duncan McKenzie. That's the Jamaica College equaliser. Now, an own goal from Omar Thompson in the 78th saw the Wolmers take the lead for the second time in the match. But just when it looked like the maroon and gold-clad boys were headed for victory, Akwaso Chung scored that free kick in the 3rd minute of time added to snatch a point for JC. Elsewhere, Camperdown had a 1-0 win over Mona to remain atop Group D in the match played at Mona. Captain Giovanni Leng scored a penalty in the 82nd minute to get the 3 points for Camperdown, who moved to 15.
6 game, 1 washout, and this is our 7th game, so we have 6 from 6, and we have a 45 minutes to play against Tivoli. So it was nice for the first round. I think we're uncatchable right now. So we have Idle coming up on Monday, yeah, and they are in 2nd place now, and if we beat them, we are clearly through.
Today we didn't create the most chances today. I'm satisfied with the effort put out by my team, but today no excuses.